today's video, it's movie time. Yes.
Wow!
So, manood kami ni Kitty Pie, guys, sa Galleria Mall in the Gree, Bibi, right? In the Gree movie, yeah. So, new release that one, Bibi, no? Released last May 15. Yes, actually, guys, this is our first time watching. We are in the couch. Yeah, only good for couple. Yes. So, we will go watching in the Galleria Mall. Outfit check tayo, guys. Yes. So, ito yung dress na binigay ni Madam Berna. O, diba? From Montblanc. See? Pero nilagyan ko ng ano, guys, ng tube kasi masyado siyang clear. Ito na lang kayo ng outfit check. Yeah. So, today, guys, is a Saturday. So, that's why napag-isipan namin ni Kitty Pie na mag-movie. See you there! O, diba? Kasyang-kasya sa akin yung damit. Oh. Wow, may bulsa pa pala. Kitty Pie have also pocket. And, you know, guys, this is a short. See? Inside is a short. So, safe na safe ako. Oh. Kasi nasa couch kami ngayon. But actually, nagdala din ako ng pang-cover kasi alam niyo naman sa sinihan, medyo malamig. Kaya baka ako'y ma-frozen doon. So, see you there, guys, in Galleria Mall! Si Kitty Pie, hi! Stomach in. Diyos ko, ang init sa labas. Grabe. Much hot outside, right? My friend, don't come here, Haya. Outfit sexy boss, right? Building is so amazing. So we are nearby na, guys, in Galleria Mall. Watching the what's this name again, Kitty Pie? The movie po. What's that? Hey. Huh? In the Gree. Nabiro si Collector's Corner, guys, kasi gutom yun. He's so hungry. We don't have any lunch. We just only doing coffee in our break. Yeah, coffee lang kami. Kasi, actually, late kami magla-lunch. Mostly magla-lunch kami 3 o'clock. Yung 5 o'clock. So, pag-isipan na ng kakain. Actually, nag-group ako ng prawns. Black prawns. Galleria Mall. Yeah. This is the Galleria Mall. Let's see the Galleria. Ang ganda dito, guys. Kaso hindi siya maganda for shopping. Kasi masyado siyang mga mahal. Yeah. Pero for window shopping, ganyan. Maganda dito. Next, hindi po na kami sa loob ng mall. Where we go, Bibi? In the app? They're changing the Galleria Mall, no? Yeah. See, guys, wait, ipakita ko sa inyo. No, Bibi, they're changing actually. The Cheesecake Factory, Kitty Pie, oh. So, guys, this is full of games here. And then the cinema is there. Right, Kitty Pie? The cinema is there. I remember now because we are go from different group. What's this? So we are here na this in cinema. Yes. Yeah, here the books, Bibi. What's one? Huh? I am the one. Nandito na kami sa book cinema. How much? Oh my God, it's good, right?
Get good plan there.
Just so see the plans from book cinema. We order our food, sir, guys. Yeah, I ordered too much. Kitty Pie also too much, yes. Actually, guys, free kami ngayon sa ticket. Yeah. Then, guys, grabe ang laki ng blueberry. O, di ba? Mm. Waiting kami sa aming ano. What's that you order, baby? Samusa and?
Cutlets.
Gutom na gutom. He's so hungry. Hmm?
You're hungry na, boss?
Yan ang foods namin guys. Pero naghintay kami sa aming ibang foods. Kaya waiting pa kami. The movie. Ayan yung foods namin guys. Hindi pa din pwede papasukan. 15 minutes more to go. We are here na inside guys. IMAX. What's number for us? They don't also. Sorry? So this is the couch. See? Oh. Just good. Why? Huh? There are only two. Are you sure this is the one? So yun guys, natapos na yung movie. Grabe, ang ganda. Yes, at saka ang ganda ng experience sa couch guys. Yes, mayroon silang pillow. Basta, pagkatabi lang kami ni Kitty Pie, pwede kami matulog doon. Yes, so, ngayon hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Grabe, ang ganda ng movie. Ano talaga ako, very satisfied. Talaga naubos. Huh? Yeah, beans cookies is too much, but too much costly. Yeah. Like the movie Kitty Pie?
Very nice. Small and sweet.
It's not a style. It's too much high tech. It's too much high technology, no? But I want to diaper that one girl there. The one girl, right? That every time she told I love you. Yeah, but I like to watch the story.